Ito po ang ating balita, Water Should Heal. Sa pangunguna ni Richard Carino, President ng Crystal Blue Enterprises at inventor ng Healing Pool, ang Pilipinas ay kinilala sa global stage. Noong 2025, siya ay naging distinguished speaker sa Global Pool and Spa Industry Forum, kasama ng innovators mula sa mahigit 30 bansa. The Healing Pool is more than just a swimming pool. It's a wellness ecosystem. Chlorine-free, safe sa skin, at enriched with nanotechnology, active oxygen, hydrogen, and therapeutic minerals like magnesium, potassium, and sulfur. Protected by patents and represented in South Korea by Kim and Chang, the law firm trusted by Louis Vuitton, Apple, BMW, and Visa. This innovation is setting a new standard in Asia. Crystal Blue Enterprises, Inc., building pools that heal, inspire, and last for generations. Because here, tubig ay para sa kalusugan at kagandahan. Abangan ang susunod na Pampa G Vibes.